Hi, I'm Lee, and in today's episode of Subpar Cooking, we're making homemade French fries. These are the ingredients you'll need for today. They'll be in the description below. To start off your French fries, you're going to want to peel 4 potatoes. Just going around nice, even motions until the entire tater is peeled. Let's do it. Alright, so you're going to want to get a bowl of cold water to keep your sliced potatoes in once they're done, to keep them from turning brown. Cut the potatoes. I've never done this before, which you can probably tell.
Made like a zipper noise.
This is you, Gordon. Yeah. Die! Yeah! Gordon Ramsay, if you want to come on the show, hit me up. Now that all of your potatoes are in a water bath, prepare for the next step, which I don't know what it is, because I didn't read. So you're going to want to add 1 cup of flour, a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, paprika, and finally 1 teaspoon of salt. And then whisk it all together, and you know, you've got the best of both worlds.
Mix it all together and you know that it's the best of both worlds.
So you're just going to want to whisk it together, and there is your batter, or crust, or whatever. It's homemade French fries. Do with it as you like. Do a little fillet of fish right there, a little shamrock shake, a Big Mac. McDonald's, sponsor us. Now that everything is whisked together, you're gonna wanna add 1.5 cups of water. To make it a bit thicker, you need more. Okay, we're gonna need a bit more water. We added a bit more water. This is about the consistency you'll want for your batter. Just enough so where you can dunk your fries into it, then straight over to the oil, which we haven't started yet. Now you're gonna wanna add as much oil as you need, but don't blow up the house. A cup of oil. We're gonna start heating the oil on medium-high heat until it's ready. You're just gonna wanna start drying out your potato slices, fries, wedges, whatever you wanna call them. Make sure that they're all nice and dry so when you put them in the oil, they don't explode. We added a bit more water to the batter just to make it a bit looser. So you're just gonna want to dip the fry into your batter. Make sure it is completely covered. Then reach in, shake it off as much as you can to get any excess batter off, and then dip it right on in very carefully, because I don't want to end up like Emery's hands. I don't know what I'm doing. I got frustrated with these potatoes. They weren't turning out the way I wanted them. So I gave up. And with that, let's head to tasting. So I'm gonna be honest, I'm not too pleased with these French fries. Maybe I'll come back to them a bit later or a different recipe. But let's try one just because. Gonna give them a bit of ketchup. So you know it's immediately a bad thing when it feels like you're eating into an apple slice. But I think it's just really the raw potato. So overall, not too pleased with it, but whatever. It's Subpar Cooking. Until next time, thanks for watching. Somebody home, we gotta go fast. Oh, downtown.